That is a center drill. Now we got to drill it to 420 diameter, and as you can see, all the coolant that is coming out of the holder, which it is a coolant through holder. That's what we're doing right now. We're drilling it right now. What we're gonna be making right now, it's a part, make a diameter with the boring bar to a 453, which is the minor diameter for a 1/2 inch 20 thread. That's what we are doing right now. As you can see, there's plenty of coolant in the part. Here comes the boring bar. As you can see him, look at all the coolants coming through the holder itself. So that's plenty of it. As you can see it, it's no problem whatsoever. It's working fine. You should have no issues on the coolant through on the holders. As you can see, there's plenty of coolant coming out of the holder. The next tool will be a threading tool, ID threading tool. As you can see, all the coolant is coming through. Okay, there's the there is the thread. See, it's threading. Look at all the coolant is coming out through the holder. It works nice. I mean, you should have no problem whatsoever. And that's what he's doing. He's threading the ID right now. Take a look at it. It is nice. That is to give you an example of what the holders can do. And they're all been tested. They've been Rockwell heat treated, and there should be no problem with the holders. See it? See all the coolant that's coming out of the holders? Anyway, we got a finished part now, and here's the product right there. As you can see, there's the part, and I'm gonna use the gauge for the thread. This is just a screw, 1/2 inch 20 screw. As you can see it? See, there's the thread right there. You should have no problem. It works great. And here are the holders. We got all the holders right there on the turret to do the job. You should have no problems. You got the fittings. You got everything that you need. As you can see them right there. See, they all got the hose, the fittings, and the holders, and those 2 screws on the holder itself. That is so you can align the turret against the spindle if the turret the machine's been crushed, so you can align it to regain the center line of the spindle to the turret. That is if the machine has been crushed. So there's the 2 set screws right there on the holder. That is so you can indicate it, realign, pick up the center line again between the turret and the spindle. Okay, you should have no problems. Excellent holders. They work great. They work beautiful, and that's a good product. There they are. Thank you.